I have noticed though, underneath the spillway, I'm getting a lot of water splashing up onto the wood. So we're going to have to sort that out, because that wood will rot if I let that continue. Right, so I've got a bit of silicone here, some gaffer tape and a bit of liner that I've cleaned up. So I've got this HA6 marine grade silicone, get this off Amazon for a tenner, bit of standard gaffer tape, and here's my liner cut to size. I've also lined it up, I don't know if you can see, but we've got a line there and a line there. That's the width of the spillway, the metal stainless steel one. So just so I know I can line it up properly, and so it's you know, even on both sides. So essentially I just need to pop a bit of silicone on there, and then we'll be good to go to attach this. Just a quick tip here, when you open up your silicone and if it's a bit cold, run it under a hot tap for a little while, just to warm it up. It'll make it a lot easier to squeeze with the handle than it would be if it was cold. So that's a handy tip for you guys. If you've got some silicone, just heat it up a little bit with some hot water. So let's just put the silicone on, put a bead of silicone on. Oh, no, it's you. More. More. So get that. If you've got a roller, use a roller. Otherwise, knead it with your hands. So, if you can't find your roller like I can't, you can use a spare tube of silicone just to roll it with your hand. Just do that with your hand, or if you've got a piece of round insulation foil, use that. Just an alternative, the DIY, if you don't have a roller to hand, use anything that's round and solid, like this tube. So I hope you found that helpful. So thanks to Maka, he's given me a piece of this plastic here that I'm gonna silicone into the skimmer, and that'll allow waste to go through these gaps but stop the fish getting in. As you can see, that should be quite handy. Unfortunately I can't take the skimmer off, the main plate that is, because I've siliconed it into the liner quite securely. So in this case I'll just have to you know, silicone it by hand while it's actually in the pond. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so I've sanded it down, took a bit off the sides as well so it would fit in properly, and as you can see, nicely fits in there. I've cleaned the sides off. All I've got to do is put some silicone in there, pop that in, and there we go, a job done. That will be the fish guard to stop the fish getting in, and it still will obviously take the muck out, because obviously these squares are quite large. But essentially that's it really. I have sanded it down to make sure there's nothing sharp that the fish could cut themselves against. There you go. So we just silicone that in, and that's a nice guard. I hadn't decided whether it would look better that way or whether it would be better this way. Let me know which way you would have done it. Anyway, there you go. So guys, this is the fish guide I've put in. I've taken this off a crate that Maka YouTube channel has given me. Thank you, Kyle, do appreciate that. I've basically used a jigsaw, cut it out, put a load of silicone on and put it in place. There it is. Seems quite sturdy. I've used some washing up liquid in a little plastic glass container here, mixed with water. So I can smooth the silicone out. Let me just show you, just smooth it out a bit. Right guys, thanks for watching. Obviously you've just seen me install and put in the DIY skimmer guard for the kockney skimmer box. I didn't want to buy one of the purpose made ones that you can see on eBay for £30 because they don't look that professional. For £30 I would expect something well made and machine made. A big shout out to Maka YouTube channel for helping me out figure out a way of making this. It's not my idea, completely Kyle's idea, so you know, all credit goes to him. Check out my last video where I did a pond visit to his pond, basically south of Sheffield way. And basically, yeah, thanks for watching. But this was informative, showing you how I've done mine. Obviously we put a bit of a cover over the filter box just to keep the water off the wood, because we don't want the wood rotting. And I've lowered the water level, turned the pumps off temporarily while this sets. Give it 24 hours and then we can put everything back on. Anyway, thanks for watching, have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Just wanted to show you the crate that I used, that Kyle gave me. It's just a basic crate for carrying stuff, and I just basically cut a section out and used that. But if anyone is interested in wanting a piece of this, just get in touch and I'll send you some of it, no problem. Or come and collect it if you can. Anyway, thanks for watching my video. See you later. Bye bye.